Now let me explain how to fix the issue of sound only coming from one earbud or the voiceover in CapCut. Follow these steps carefully to resolve the problem effectively. Now, let's explore what to do on your phone. First, we need to check if both earbuds are functioning properly. To do this, simply open YouTube or play some music to see if sound comes from both sides, as you can see here, and check if one earbud is damaged or not functioning properly. Next, you should carefully disconnect and then reconnect your Bluetooth earbuds for better sound. Disconnect Bluetooth now and then reconnect it for clarity. If that still doesn't work, then let's carefully check the sound balance settings on your phone for clarity. Now, let's move to the settings on your phone. After that, navigate to Accessibility Options, where you will find sound settings and audio balance to check carefully. If that still doesn't work, let's carefully check the voiceover track in CapCut. For instance, ensure the music is properly set and the audio levels are balanced. If the issue is solely with the voiceover, then as you can see here, tap on the audio settings and carefully check if the balance is shifted too far to the left or right. Everything is fine with me, no need to worry. If you have that music set, then you simply need to re-import it, and that's all you need to do to fix the issue. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and now it's time to say goodbye.